Okay, so now let's create a billing alarm. So in the drop down here, click on Billing Dashboard. The Billing Management Console page opens. In the left side, select Billing Preferences. Check all the boxes and add your email so that AWS can send your notifications via mail when your billing limit exceeds. After this, save preferences. Once you save preferences, as you can see here, click on Manage Billing Alerts. In the alarm drop down on the left side, click Billing. On this page, scroll down a bit. Here, I'll select the option greater than or equal to and type in 0.01 USD. This means if my billing is equal to or greater than 0.01 USD, then AWS will send me a notification. Click on Next. Here, select In Alarm and choose to create a new topic. This is for AWS to send notifications. I'll name this topic as Billing Alert. I will add in my email address and click on Create Topic. Scroll down and click Next. I'll name my alarm as Billing Alert and let's describe it as limit exceeded. Then click on Next. Review and click Create Alarm. So that's it. My alarm is created. But now here you can see that there's a warning sign and there's a notification also. Let me click on the notification. So here it says pending confirmation. So we have to log into our email ID and then look for the email from Amazon. Confirm subscription and let's refresh the page now. Here you can see the confirm sign.